Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about the protocol and packet analysis using the Wireshark. So, what is a protocol analysis? So, protocol analysis is a network software which is used to capture data for further analysis and understanding of the technical means of a necessary packet. So, for that we are using this Wireshark. So, what is this Wireshark? So Wireshark is it is an open source network sniffing software which is used for the network sniffer. So particularly designed to track the network packets and through the use of a different filter options available in this software. So we basically use this to analyze the network packets, troubleshoot network issues identification, and check some any malicious activities or hacking possibilities using this Wireshark. So let's get download this Wireshark. So you can download according to your Windows. So I need Windows installed for 64 bits. Yeah, it can download easily. In fact, it's already added in my system. So I'll just open it.
Yeah, guys, here you can see these graphs are like are the network interface cards. This actually going to be capturing all the basically the packets are going to capture any data that can be transmitted on the networks. So now I'm going to use the Wi-Fi here. So you can see, yeah, I'm going to use the Wi-Fi. So here you can see all Wi-Fi because why I used Wi-Fi because that I want to actually capture my packets. So just check on that. So here we are having the two sections over here. The first one is in the first section you can see all packets are being scanned like something like encrypted and from where it was coming and what is the source or what is the destination, so they mention. And in the section 2 here they gave some information about the packets is how it being transmitted, basically the manufacturer of transmitting signal from where it was coming and what are is the standards, and those and all is given in the section 2. So in this Wireshark, let's focus on the HTTP traffic. So now I'm going to use the HTTP traffic, and let's open the browser here. Yeah, it's open and browse as a www dot I JAIN University. Yeah, just click on the enter. Yeah, before you are going to browse about a HTTP link, first you have to select the filter as HTTP. Yeah, it just came here, and then you have to browse it. So I'll just browse the site. Okay, before you are going to browse, you just have to start. Yeah, see. So whatever the browsers you are using here, you are browsed in a HTTP link format in the browser. So it will say, it will give a clear information like then the packet will capture has been started and have a lot of traffic that has been capturing over here. And let's scroll up and see the first HTTP request over here. So before that you just have to stop the traffic and move to the first one. So here you can see some source first HTTP request from a source of 192.168 to the destination of 172.217, and you can see the protocol, what protocol they used, TCP, NVNS, and so what is the length, You can see the length regarding the information, destination. So at what time it was transmitted. So you can see all the details. Before in the session 2, as I said before that, packets are being scanned, like something which whatever encrypted information can be shown here, and the Ethernet destination address source type, what type of IP address it's using, and the internet protocol. You can see so many other different fields and services over here in this session, the detailed manner. So our transmission control protocol and how it is encrypted. You can see the detailed information of how traffic or network trafficking or like packet trafficking is going on in detailed way. Now we'll know about statistic tool and what is the use of it. So click on the statistics, and there are some few features and options in the statistics. So I'll click on the capture file properties. So here you go. Here you can see the file, time, capture, and the statistics of details. So basically the file provides the data such as a file name, path, and so on, so the length, etc., and the time, what the time will do. So the time, it will give clear information about the start time, end point, end time, and duration of capture. So what did capture? So hardware information for this PC that Wireshark installed on, so that information can be captured over here. And what is about interface? Here you can see the interfaces. We used Wi-Fi drop packets, percentage, and the capture filter. So we use nothing. Any capture is any capture filter is not used. And link type is Ethernet. Packet size limit. They are given few bits over here, and details about the statistics of it. They give a general capture statistics, including captured and displayed packets also. Can observe there, and uh, this menu simply gives a summary of a filter data properties and captures statistics like bits, what are the bits and average bits per second it was coming. And when someone wants to learn the capture statistics, so you can just use the statistics hierarchy. Yeah, you can use the statistic tool. And now I'll search for the, yeah, we'll choose a protocol hierarchy. So yeah, in this hierarchy, you can just see all that given protocol hierarchy windows or tools, whatever we used. Like first one is here, you can see the protocol again, percent packets, and percent bytes, bits in packets, in bytes, in bits, and PDUs. Like the protocol, they give the protocol name what we used. And next, here you can see the protocol interface we used is Wi-Fi. So and the details about the Wi-Fi in a hierarchy model. So here you can see uh, so what it says, the percent packet says like protocol packets from the total captured packets. So these all yeah, like these all detailed percent packets and percent bytes, all they say about the percentage of the protocol. What is the feature, like it might be a packets or percent bytes, and it's for the total capture of the packets. So in this protocol hierarchy, it gives the what percent packets for the total percent packet, total percent of captured packets. This one, and the end column counts the, it counts the protocol which is last protocol in the packet, and this can be a TCP packet with no payload, or for example, you can say SYN packets. And which are the protocols or the last protocols in the frame. And this file example, you can see some any interesting issues like any to 20,000 checkpoints, high availability packets like which will be the firewalls working in a cluster and updating session tables between the firewalls. So these are the some interesting issues for that. And it calculates the statistics of the captured data as we said before. And now we'll use the another tool. Again, you just close it, go to the statistics. Yeah, and now yeah, now we'll choose the conversions. So here you go. So what are these conversions, and what it says like you choose a we choose you can choose a between any layer 2 ethernet statistics or a wi-fi. And layer 2 statistics of ethernet, you can say. Yeah. So first on layer 2 Ethernet to find isolated broadcast streams, and in layer 3 in TCP, you can see all the details to like which where to connect in parallel to the internet router's port address, and check check who is loading line in the ISP or there, and details about it. If you see there, it's a lot of traffic going on the port. Yeah, I can see the lot of traffics are going on the port of 443, and the bytes are 66 bytes over here. You can see that. And if you don't get anything, simply just go to the DNS resolution website, search Google for DNS lookup, and find out what is loading you on the internet line. So for viewing IP address as name, so you check the name resolution checkbox. Yeah, you can see all the name resolution checkbox, or you can in the conversation settings you can see the absolute start time and limit to display, and whatever. A feature in a Wireshark version 2 is the graph feature, as we saw it in before and marked as previous one, and choose specific in the TCP conversation statistic. And right, I choose as a TCP. Yeah, it will show the specific transportations used by the TCP in detail, like from address A to B, it's going the packets of this much bytes, and packet B containing bytes, and A to B how many bytes were transported. So you can see clearly over here. And you can see the packets on host of A to B, bytes of A to B, and all the things we're doing. The name what is this name resolution which will provide, actually provide a name resolution in case where it configured in the. So here you can see that name resolutions and all. So what it will do, this limit to display filter and this thing, like to show the statistics only for display filter, to show the statistics only for limit to the display filter, or copy the list in a CSV or YAML format. In case your geo IP is configured, show that the geographic information is discarded, such as the following things like few Ethernets on main nodes in the MAC address with many IP endpoints. So that is IP address. This will be the case where, for example, we have a router that sends and receives the packets from many remote devices, which we see in our daily life, and few IP and nodes with many TCP and nodes. This will be the case of many TCP connections per host to host. So today we all studied about the protocol. What do you say? You can say the protocol. Protocol capture using the Wireshark. So what is this protocol analysis? It's a protocol analysis is a, you can say it as a network sniffer, which is to capture the data from further analysis and understanding of the technically means necessary packets of data what is going to transmitted. Yeah, here we go. So as of now, we studied all this about protocol analysis and how to use a Wireshark, what it says. So yeah, in starting itself, I said that Wireshark is an open source network sniffing software. So it is designed to traffic network packets and basically to track the network packets where it was coming from, what is the source and destination address, how many bytes it was transmitting the data. So the use of different filter options available in the different filter options available in the Wireshark. So if I can use any different things like see, so many tools were available. Yeah. So the video. So it's basically used to analyze the network packets and troubleshoot any network issues easily and check malicious activities and any hacking possibilities happening in a system. So thank you. We'll meet you in the next video.